Video title: Best Budget Smartphone Under $200 in 2025. Honest Review YouTube Script Tech Review Video. Today, I'm going to talk about a budget smartphone that might just blow your mind. For under $200, it offers solid performance, great cameras, and a battery that lasts all day. Let's dive right into the full review. The design of this phone feels surprisingly premium. Although the back panel is plastic, it has a glass-like finish and feels sturdy in hand. You get a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display, which is pretty rare in this price range. It's powered by the MediaTek Helio G85 chipset, which is great for everyday use and casual gaming. Games like PUBG and Free Fire run smoothly at around 40 FPS. You also get 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, which is amazing for this budget. The rear camera is 50 MP and captures sharp, colorful photos. It even has a night mode that works decently in low light. The 8 MP front camera is good enough for selfies and video calls. It packs a 5000 mAh battery that easily lasts a full day of use. And yes, it comes with an 18W fast charger in the box. You also get a fingerprint sensor and face unlock for security. For under $200, this phone checks almost all the boxes. If you're looking for a reliable, budget-friendly smartphone, this could be the perfect fit. I've added the purchase link in the description. Go check it out. Call to action cat, drop a comment and let me know what's the most important feature you look for in a phone. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews. Want me to write a script for your next tech video? Let me know the topic: unboxing, top 5 gadgets, AI tools, etc., and I'll build it for you.